Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to free up drive space in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once everything boots up and you can see your desktop, you're ready to begin the cleanup process. Now, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it to open the menu. Once the Start menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Storage Settings and hit Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Storage Settings window, which gives you a comprehensive overview of how your drive space is being used across different categories. Within the Storage Settings window, you'll notice several categories that show how your storage is distributed. The most effective and common category to clean up is temporary files. These are files that your system and applications create temporarily, but often remain on your drive long after they're needed. Click on the Temporary Files option to proceed. After clicking, you'll be taken to a detailed view showing exactly what types of temporary files are stored on your system. You'll see multiple categories listed, each with a checkbox next to it. These might include things like temporary internet files, system cache, previous Windows installations, and downloads. Take a moment to review these categories carefully. Click on the checkboxes next to the items you want to remove from your system. However, be mindful here. It's generally not recommended to delete files from the Downloads category unless you're absolutely certain you no longer need them, as this contains files you've intentionally downloaded. Once you've selected all the categories you want to clean up, look for the Remove Files button and click on it. Windows will now begin the deletion process, clearing out those temporary files and freeing up valuable drive space on your computer. This might take a few moments depending on how much data is being removed, so just be patient while the system works through everything. And that's it. You've successfully freed up drive space on your Windows 11 computer by removing unnecessary temporary files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.